welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I think today I'm going to show you guys how I make my quinoa salad. So over here are the materials. Here's what you're going to need. Obviously at the start of the show, it's not a quinoa salad without quinoa. Some butter, some cherry tomatoes, some salt for flavor, some garlic, and peppers. So the first step to making my quinoa salad is, obviously we gotta boil it, we gotta cook it, and I just do cold water. I don't know why, it seems to taste better with cold water. Not exactly sure why that is, and I just fill it up about maybe 2/3 full. So, yep. Just put up my... So I turn the stove on too high, and while we're at it, we take our salty and just place a little bit into the water to give the quinoa some flavor. So while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I will cut my vegetables, and I generally use about 10 to 13, oh my gosh, that's way more than that. 10 to 13 cherry tomatoes, and I just kind of cut them in half, like so. Oh, that didn't cut that one very well. And once those are all chopped up, I now will do my other vegetables, which is a cucumber and peppers, but you can add whatever veggies you want. Solid ice. And last but certainly not least, we'll cut our peppers. And now that our veggies are cut, it's time to check on our water. So once the water's all boiling, I will add my half a cup of quinoa, and I will set a timer for 20 minutes to make sure that it is ready to go. I'm going to start with 15, and we'll always come back to check on it. So, see you in 15. Don't forget to stir constantly, otherwise it will stick. So before the quinoa is all finished up, I will take about 3 tablespoons of butter. It can be salted or unsalted, either one. And I will pop this in the microwave until it is melted. So we'll start with about 30 seconds. Now we wait. So now that my butter is all melty, I will take a little bit of garlic to add some flavor. That was an attractive sound. And mix it up. And now it's time to add the veggies. So slowly, it will start incorporating my veggies. Now the cucumbers. And lastly, the peppers. And now let's go check on our quinoa. See if it will. Cool. Okay. So now that my quinoa looks done, it is time to strain it. Time to take it off the heat. And into the strainer. Ooh, it's bubbly. Get out of there. Where's my... Whoop. Found it. Thank you. And so just put that shape it in. And while it may be super hot, time to cool her off. Some cold water. What's a salad without cold quinoa? And once I finish straining it, let all the extra water drip out. There's so much water. I think we're ready. I will take this and I will bring it over to our veggies. And it's time to mix it in. And there you have it. A delicious quinoa salad bowl. However you like it, with veggies, super healthy and delicious. I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.